How to build a gas mask when clean air is a myth, your lungs are begging for mercy, and the world tastes like ash. Cities are silencers now, the sky's leaking poison, and the only thing standing between you and a slow, crunchy death is a mask. Batteries? Gone. Filters? Toast? You'll be breathing fallout if you don't improvise. No worries, we're making a gas mask with junk and pure desperation. Start from that cracked motorcycle helmet or busted bike mask you saved from a dumpster. Rip out the guts. Ain't need no style points. Grab any old cloth, used socks, torn curtain, rat's nest, layer it thick like your life depends on it, 'cause it does. Next, stuff in charcoal from last night's fire, crushed into gritty little bombs of soot magic. Charcoal's poison sponge holds the nasties hostage. Smear a bit of grease on the outside if you want, to keep dust at bay or just to look post-apocalyptic chic. Science? Your lungs thank charcoal because it traps radioactive dust and toxic gases, stopping them from crashing your cell's afterparty. The cloth? It's your dirt filter, sweating so your lungs don't have to. If it burns or stings, tweak it. This isn't a spa day. Slip the mask on. If the air tastes less like death, congrats. You just pulled survival out of a garbage heap. Now breathe deep, but not too deep. Welcome to the wasteland.